Hello, my name is Kim and you're on my channel. Today we are talking about how to drive free and 100% targeted traffic to your site. Please, watch this video until the end and you will know one additional way how to make money in almost every niche. Let's get started. To begin with, let's simulate the situation of how a person is looking for your site. Of course, in most cases, he doesn't type the name of your site in the Google search tab. For example, he needs to know how many inches in 1 meter, or how do I make 1 million from the internet, whatever. Let's try to type the last request. And what we see on the first search page of Google is Quora. Quora is the main theme of my video. This site will help you promote your site very fast and free. Wanna know how? I'll explain. Quora is a very popular social answer question website with over 600 million views per month. On average, every visitor read Quora for 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It is a very good indicator. Another great good metric is geography. Almost 40% of visitors are located in the US, the most important country for all site owners. By the way, if you want to check the traffic for any site free and fast, as we checked it for Quora just now, you can find the detailed tutorial on the hint above, or the link in the description box. As we understand, Quora is a good source of targeted traffic. People who visited this site want to find a certain answer to their questions. You can use it to promote links to your site. Just find questions from your niche and write answers. But be very careful and responsible. Don't spam your link, because your account will be banned and all links will be deleted. Your answers should help people to fix their problems or find the right solution. Your link is just an addition to your post. In other words, someone searches to Google something from your niche. This guy sees that on Quora there is the same question, clicks to the Quora, finds your answer and then goes through to your site. I will show an example. It is my Quora account. I got more than 500,000 views for the 2 weeks. As you see, you can receive a lot of traffic on your answers. With Quora, I promote my YouTube channel about politics. Of course, you can paste the link to your site. In this situation, it is just an example to show how personally I use Quora. Some people who read my posts click on my video and go through to my channel. I don't paste the video from YouTube in each of my answers. Only in answers when it's necessary and when it helps people understand better what I mean. Let's take a look at another example. Someone asks, what is the best VPN app for Android? This question has 104 follow, which means that more than 100 people watch this topic and read the answers. And 79 answers from users who suggest the variants of VPN. As you see, some answers are very detailed and have thousands of views. This one has a direct link to the Google Play Market. As I understand, this guy got some amount of clicks to his link because his answers has 3rd rank in this topic. I hope you understand the basic principle. We answer questions as detailed as possible and understandable, insert the link and get clicks to your site. Further, I will tell you 3 basic rules on how to get more views on Quora. Number 1. Answer to a recent question in popular spaces. Spaces is a Quora community. As you see, I am a contributor to one of the most popular spaces about politics and the Ukrainian war, and I am trying to be the first to answer. Automatically, who is interested in this topic clicks on this question and sees only me. I get views until someone can answer. When other users space their opinion, my answer already got upvotes. And my answer has ranked higher anyway. Number 2. Answer a question with a lot of followers and few answers. It also increases the chance to attract the attention of your potential customers. Number 3. Use eye-catching images in your answers. The very important thing is the visual style of your answer. Many people don't use images and lose views. Remember that answer with quality images and well-formatted text looks better and receives more views, upvotes and shares. As a result, you will get more clicks. If you will follow these simple rules, I am sure that you will not only repeat my results with 500,000 views in the first 2 weeks and even surpass them. And as I promised, I am telling you not a well-known method to make money. Quora, among other things, has a monetization program. Quora Plus launched in September 2021 as a new subscription program for Quora users to support creators, access more content, and unlock a premium ad-free version of Quora. Subscribers pay $4.99 per month. Revenue from Quora Plus subscription is shared between participating creators. When a creator enrolls in the Quora Plus earning program, they become eligible to receive a share of the subscription fee paid by readers, based on engagement with their content. In other words, you can make interesting content, post it in Quora, and make money for each view by premium members. In addition, you can share the Quora link and receive money for each new Quora Plus members. In my opinion, the Quora Earnings program is a good opportunity to make money if you are a good specialist in your niche and ready to make good content. I will leave the link to the Quora monetization program in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, welcome to the comments below. Good luck!